Are you ready to evaluate software with precision and clarity? This guide will walk you through using eAuditor for a comprehensive software due diligence assessment. Discover how to ensure technical soundness, security, and compliance in your software acquisitions. The assessment determines if software meets organizational expectations. eAuditor helps identify risks and document evidence. Key objectives include assessing technical, security, and operational risks. It also verifies compliance and evaluates vendor capabilities. This supports informed procurement and integration decisions. Prepare your assessment by creating a checklist in eAuditor. Clearly define sections and response types for consistent evaluations. Include software overview, architecture, and security controls. Ensure compliance and vendor support are assessed. Align with standards like ISO and data protection regulations. Identify the software name and deployment model. Understand business use cases and hosting environments. Evaluate vendor profile, including ownership and market reputation. Assess architecture for scalability and performance. Review code quality and documentation completeness. Focus on information security controls like authentication. Ensure encryption of data at rest and in transit. Evaluate privacy measures and incident response processes. Verify compliance with regulations and audit rights. Clarify licensing terms and intellectual property ownership. Check compatibility with existing systems and APIs. Review deployment procedures for smooth implementation. Evaluate vendor support and service level agreements. Confirm training resources for operational teams. Ensure knowledge transfer is thorough and effective. Through structured assessments using eAuditor, you gain insights into software risks. This approach supports defensible decision-making and strengthens governance. Now you know how to ensure software soundness, security, and compliance effectively.